If you're someone who's planning to buy the Toyota Wigo and you're a bit confused whether to get the latest and greatest, or you want to save a little bit of money, just compromise knowing that there are a lot of similar features. Well, if that's you, I'm so glad to be with you today because that's what we're gonna be talking about. 2023 Toyota Wigo versus the 2024 Toyota Wigo. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go! So what's up, gentlemen and ladies? Welcome to another episode of Project Gentleman, where here we love to talk about the things that help us win in life. So ayun nga, today guys, tambay na naman tayo to talk about isa sa mga pinakapaborito nating sasakyan gawa ng Toyota, which is yun nga, si Toyota Wigo. So today there are just a couple of things that I wanted to stress out. I believe that a lot of you really want to buy this car kasi nga naman napaka value for money, napaka sulit. At that price point, meron ka ng sasakyan, you can now have that comfort in life. And of course, ayan nga, may bagong release na nga si Toyota na new generation of Toyota Wigo, and it's very interesting because there are a lot of things that I love about it, and there are a lot of things as well that I love about the previous or the outgoing one. So today, himay-himay natin ng konti, and then by the end of the video, you will realize alin doon yung kaya nyong tiisin, alin doon yung kaya nyo na wala. And of course, the best case scenario is to not release money from your pocket. So first, let's start with the exterior. This one is subjective as usual. Comment nyo alin dito sa dalawang to ang mas nagustuhan nyo yung design. So for me, ayan nga, maangas ng konti tignan yung sa bago dahil sharper na nga yung details niya. Yung kanyang design is medyo sharper, maangas, and parang lowered na siya na sedan. Kung titignan natin, kumbaga it's really separating itself from being a small car. Nag-mature na nga siya, medyo lumaki na siya tignan, mas buff. So plus points yun. Sa overall na design guys, honestly, mas gusto ko yung pagkakagawa kay 2023 Toyota Wigo. Especially yung front fascia niya. Mas gusto ko talaga yung pagkapulido nung sa harap. And parang sa akin, sakto lang kasi yung sharpness niya, yung mga curve is sakto lang yung timpla doon sa outgoing na Wigo. Para sa akin, mas sophisticated yon. Medyo kung sa iba, medyo discouraging yung pagiging straight nung kanyang back portion ni 2023 Wigo. But for me, sa akin, okay lang yun because that's what made it Toyota Wigo. Kumbaga, having that said about dun sa trunk or sa kanyang rear part is maganda yung sa likuran ni yung bagong Toyota Wigo because you don't have to go back here to the front of your car to just open the trunk. You now have that ability to open your trunk kasi meron na siyang access doon sa likod that you can open in case you need to put something, groceries and whatever. So plus points kay 2024 Toyota Wigo yun. So continuing with the exterior looks, let's talk about the wheels. Ito nga yung na-mention ko doon sa first video natin about the new Wigo is hindi ko talaga masyadong natripan yung bagong wheels ni Toyota Wigo. Same na po sila na 14 inches but medyo mas maganda talaga yung itsura or yung design ng lumang Wigo. Kasi yan nga, naka two-tone siya, but the new ones parang simple lang, and yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. If you're someone who really like the new Wigo, you can always, buy yourself a new set of rims. But of course, yan nga, sinasabi natin, mapapagastos na naman tayo. Having that said, I really believe that the old Wigo wins the overall category for just for the looks. And then, angat naman tayong konti, dun nga sa kanyang door handles. I'm so glad that the new Wigo comes with a grab type kumpara dun sa pull-up type nung lumang Wigo. Winner yun. Like I said, it's going to a transition. Parang the new Wigo is really catching up with the new designs ni Toyota. So plus points po yun. And then with the actual size, mas mali talaga ng konti si old Wigo. Medyo maganda ngayon yung situation dito kay Wigo is because you'll be happy that it became bigger, but that also means that you lose a little bit yung kanyang form factor or advantage ng form factor niya, which is kung yung parking slot mo is medyo alanganin talaga, or to make it short, you really could use that small form factor ni Wigo. Yun nga, dun sa tinitirhan namin dati, may eskwelahan, medyo marami talagang mga bata. Pag nakauwi ka ng uwian, nako, good luck na lang sa'yo. Ang daming bata, nagsisilabasan, mga motor, mga mga kapwa sasakyan na makakasagupa mo. So if that's the kind of place that you're living, then you better consider this form factor as well. And then now let's go to the engine itself. Okay, so both of them have still the same 1.0 liters. A lot of us were hoping na sana it comes with 1.2 yung bago, but unfortunately Toyota didn't give it to us. But yeah, I believe that's gonna be still a great selling point. It's gonna be an advantage pa rin naman kasi nga you still have a greater fuel economy. If power doesn't matter that much to you, either of these cars will really be good. If you need a little bit more power, meron tayong Honda Brio na review dyan. You might want to consider that. And meron din tayong ibang upcoming na mga competitors ni Toyota Wigo. So abangan nyo po yun. So going back in terms of power, hindi ka na masyadong mag-aalangan kay Toyota Wigo. Yung old Wigo nga yung na-feature natin dati, diba? And I told you that it can really climb up yung mga uphill na mga daanan. Lumalaban po yun, yung old na Wigo. So I'm not quite sure yet about this new Wigo, but I believe it can still do it. I believe that it can really still be enough na mga akyatan. Which leads me to my next point na yung old Wigo comes with the automatic transmission and the new Wigo comes with a CVT. So I have a test drive about dun sa old Wigo. O nga pala, review of both of these cars. So hanapin nyo naman po dyan sa playlist like I mentioned dyan po sa description. So ayun nga, na-test drive po natin yung outgoing na Wigo and I was really amazed with the power. I talked about kaya niyang lumaban sa akyatan. I even compared a little bit yung 1.0 na automatic versus the 1.3 na CVT nga nitong Vios, diba? I was amazed with the arangkada, maybe as well because of the size. I mean, napaka ano talaga niya. Sufficient po nung power nung old Wigo para sa akin. I'm still about to do a test drive with a new Toyota Wigo. I'm doing my best to do it. So hoping really that one day I can share it with you guys. But so far I can vouch that the automatic transmission old Toyota Wigo is para sa akin highly recommended po sa akin yun. Pero ayun nga, on paper naman, don't worry, they have the same torque on paper, 89 Newton meters. Go ahead and test drive it for yourself if you want to try the power or if you're gonna be satisfied with the new Wigo. Next, interior. Yan, pasok na tayo sa loob ng sasakyan. Para sa akin, winner kagad dito si new Wigo. Ayun nga, of course, napakaganda nung interior niya. Like I mentioned, humabol na po siya sa interior design ni Toyota Race. And I'd even go as far to say that if you really want the Toyota Race's design or yung kanyang feel pag sakay mo and medyo short tayo sa budget, the Toyota Wigo 2024 can suffice for that. You have that feeling when you ride the car. Toyota Wigo's new design for the 2024 version is really very, very good, guys. Lastly, let's go to the features. Ito yung pinaka-importante para sa akin. So, ang kagandahan, like I said a while ago, hindi ka lugi sa old na Wigo. I mean, merong major na bago kay 2024 Wigo, but generally, same na po sila. Both of them have one of my favorites, which is yun nga, auto-folding side mirrors. You have control of that, like magic. Both of them also have the reverse parking sensors. Napakaganda po nun. Iwas bangga, iwas gastos. Both of them have a push start button. Napakaganda. Good job talaga dito kay Wigo. At a very low price point, you have all of these amazing features. Pati na built-in dashcam, guys. Both of these generations have a built-in dashcam, which is yun nga, isa yun sa mga maganda talaga kay Wigo. Hindi siya tinitipid sa mga features. So that's really useful, guys. But take note, when you say built-in dashcam, front-facing lang ata yun eh. I don't think meron siyang sa reverse na recording capability. And if you're interested in buying that has the front and rear capability to record, I have that aftermarket dashcam recommendation for you down in the description. Tignan nyo na lang. But overall, diba guys, grabe, sobrang similar lang po nilang dalawa. Pero dito na po ako mapapaisip talaga because of this major upgrade ng new Wigo. At ito na nga po ay yung kanyang meron na siyang hill start assist. Si old Wigo 2023 wala po siya nun, and yun po yung naging deal breaker sa akin honestly on a lot of ways. So para sa akin talaga napaka-importante ng feature na yun. I believe it's really a deal breaker. So, especially if you live in a place where palaging traffic and may mga bridges. So, if you don't live in that kind of place, the old Toyota Wigo is really gonna be good for you, okay? So, sana po nakatulong itong video na to in your car buying decision. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that if you seek God first and make Jesus the King of your life, all of these things will be added to you. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Ciao.